Hello to everyone. Welcome to ZINT Institute Gwalior. In previous class, we discussed about how to make a certificate in a MS Word. Now, we are working on a project that how to create a pamphlet. First of all, you have to know about a pamphlet. Pamphlet are used for advertisement purpose in which we can give the elaboration of our institute or other premises regarding what the services are provided by us. So for creating a pamphlet, first of all, you have to go in a page layout, then select the margins to the narrow. If you select the margins narrow, that means you are utilizing the page size and you can write more context in this page. The default size of our page is A4 size, so you have to select it and you have to select the orientation into the portrait form. So starting for making a pamphlet, you have to know about the syntax and the format of a pamphlet. First of all, the background should not be dark. It must be of light color like white or beige, which is a combination of cream and white color. And the text must be more highlightful, so the text primarily attract the customer or the citizen or people. So first of all, we have to go on a page color. Then we have to select the page color white. After it, you can select a border which is primarily of type simple context. And if you want a light page dual gradient color, you can also activate it in fill effects option. Then select two colors. You can make a light color combination so the words are highlighted. So first of all, going on a insert tab, we select the word art option from the text group and we select our word art and we type the name of our institute, that is ZINT Institute. And after it, in previous class I have told about like there is an option called format tab for editing purpose or text wrapping. So you have to click on a word art, then go on a format tab and text wrapping should be on in front of text. With the help of text wrapping, you can move your word art at anywhere in the page. And after the resizer point, you can adjust the size and the color of our, for the size of our word art. Then after it, if you want to go in a next line, but the cursor is always on the top of the page and I press enter, the word art is also getting on the lowest side. So you have to click on the word art, then after it you have to double click on the word art and then enter. After it you can insert a shape, and for that shape you can easily write with the help of text box, and you have to write here courses offered. Control A and Control plus closed curly brackets, that is for increasing the font size. Control B bold, and if you want then after it we have to give the detail about the courses offered of our institute. Then next I am also taking other shapes, oval shape, and using the copy and paste option I am using the different shapes for writing the different courses available by our institute. And with the help of nudge option, you can adjust it as you want. That is the work of navigation keys. And for writing in the box, you have to click on the box and text box. First of all, we provide the classes of CPCT, Control A, increasing the size, bold, and you can also change the color of our shape. Then same here, format, edit text box, and second course is PGDCA, Control bold. Third one is DCA, Diploma in Computer Application, then Tally for accounting with GST, so the word is more in this text box, so I just removing extra. Then other, the courses offered by us, programming languages, and then web designing. And I am changing the color of our boxes and the shapes which are we use for highlighting the courses. Then after it, I am inserting a clip art from the clip art option, and I'm just typing here computer because our institute deals with computer knowledge. So I am using here text wrapping option should be in front of text. Now it is almost completed. Now take an extra shape where we can highlight our institute facilities, like which makes our institute better than others. Like I'm just typing facilities provided, fully AC classrooms with projector, base class, free stationery to students, good infrastructure with good environment. After it, you can use Ctrl A center for the center, Ctrl E and font increase curly brackets closed, and Ctrl B bold. Then after it is almost done, but I have to mention the address, so I just use the footer part. You can activate the footer part by clicking on the bottom of the page, and I am typing the address of our institute. Fulbagh near railway crossing, the text is hiding in the behind of the box, so I just use drag and down option, then near railway crossing Gwalior, using Ctrl A and then increasing the size of font and selecting the option header from the bottom. Our pamphlet is done, and we can also insert a shape, like there is a highlighting point like this, and which we can type admission open, and we can fill it with some interesting color for highlighting the text which we are using. Otherwise we can use shape fill option, so things will be more visible to the clear understanding. And by using the print preview shortcut Ctrl F2, we can see that our pamphlet is ready to use. and you can easily modify the data in which you have inserted in your pamphlet. Thank you. That is our part of our pamphlet is completed.